a chicken coop, you only have to do it for 4 hours. So common sense tells you, you get to the guard shack, you're the first one to the guard shack, and you're like when I would get there, I'd be like, all right, I'll take the chicken coop and put me down for the 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So on a weekend, I made 20 bucks. I walked the chicken coop for 4 hours. I'm in bed by 10:30, and I've got the rest of the weekend off. Kind of a no-brainer. That's probably the most time that I carried an M16 in my 6 years in the Marine Corps. Was carrying an M16 around the armory. These folks are from Florida. It's the first time they've ever seen a curb. They've never seen a pull-off or a turn signal lever. There, the sun's coming out now. They're going to dry this road off. Dry the road off just in time for it to rain again. Yay! We could absolutely use the rain up here. For those of you wondering how my retirement's going, today's day 7. The first week was busy. I rode motorcycles yesterday, today. I'll play around the house a little bit today. Hooking up with a buddy of mine who does like odd jobs. And if he gets jobs that requires moving dirt, I have agreed to show up at his job site with a loader and get paid. Maryland, they're not going to use a pull-off ever. They're from here. You'd think they know what a pull-off was. Maybe, maybe. I didn't see Loudoun County pulling off for me. There's a big motorcycle warehouse in Loudoun County. It's like OEM Cycle or something like that on eBay. I don't know if it says Loudoun or Lenore or something like that. It's their location in Tennessee on the eBay site, but I bought a lot of stuff from them over the years. You would think an hour and a half away from the house that I could get my parts quick, but it usually takes them about 2 weeks. It takes the mail about 2 days to get it to me, and it takes them the rest of the time to package up my item and ship it out. That part's annoying. Surprised nobody's cut that tree back away from the road yet. Why wouldn't they allow you to overnight camp here on the pull-off? That doesn't seem right. I thought about doing a food trailer and putting it on one of these pull-offs, one of these bigger ones. I'm thinking a food trailer would do amazing business up here. It would be a great alternative for folks who are on a budget and can't afford to eat at the Deals Gap store. Welcome to North Carolina. North Carolina. Cause I'm going to Carolina in my mind. Remember, do not pass when it's a solid yellow line. How about when it's like a cracked up tar snaky yellow line? Does that count? Because this yellow line is pathetic, North Carolina. Whoa, there are no slayers here today. It is lonely.